maybe some people are thinking about getting outdoors and, checking out waterways, things like that. But plenty of water already falling from the sky for us.
Yeah, it's going to be a largely wet day. It's
Okay.
not going to be as nice as what we saw yesterday.
Which
but
was great.
Yeah, it was amazing yesterday. Sunnier for most areas than expected. We actually hit 66 degrees yesterday, so we finally had temperatures that were average, and it felt really nice out there. Today, it's going to be a little bit wetter, but there's still that possibility of some sun breaks later on this afternoon. So if you do have any plans, you probably want to wait until later on this afternoon when we see the rain chances start to decrease. Live look at the waterfront. It's wet, it's cloudy, just a dreary start to the day, very similar to what we saw yesterday morning, and that's because we have a similar system working its way in. Another warm front lifting north, and that is already starting to increase the rain across pretty much all of western Washington. Now with this warm front, the rain is initially going to be pretty light, so it's just going to be a hit or miss light rain shower, but we will eventually see a gradual uptick in the intensity, and we are starting to see that right now from the Hood Canal into the Kitsap Peninsula as well as South and Central Sound. Seattle starting to see some of that heavier rain lifting north, and that's eventually going to work its way towards Shoreline and Everett. So again, if you have to get out, maybe give yourself extra time on the roadway or just wait until this afternoon. Some of the heavier rain starts to increase for Puget Sound as we work our way into around the lunchtime hour. We'll see some of that heavier activity lifting north, and then the second round of some heavier rain for the Olympic Peninsula around 3 p.m. this afternoon. There could be a break in the rain as we work our way to about 6 p.m. This is when there's that best chance for a break from the rain, with 1 or 2 sun breaks possible between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. That's that best chance for some rain. There will be an isolated thunderstorm risk east of I-5 later on this evening as a cold front moves in. And for our friends that are in eastern Washington, there's actually a severe risk this afternoon into the evening hours. There's the possibility of damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes, especially just to the southeast of Spokane. No severe weather is expected for western Washington, but we are going to see some heavy rain, possibly up to an inch of rain for a large chunk of the area. Every drop is very beneficial. Temperatures this afternoon are still going to climb into the lower 60s despite the rain and the cloud cover. And this morning, we're starting out mild, 52 in Seattle, 53 in Everett. So again, a pretty mild start to the day, and those mild temperatures stick around for your Monday and Tuesday with highs in the 60s. We fall into the 50s for highs on Wednesday, but we're all the way back up to 66 for Saturday.